And it's not Rajasthan alone. Jharkhand, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh are all witness to such horror stories. No one knows when it all started. No one knows when will this torture ever end. At least those at the helm don't seem to be much bothered about weeding out this evil practice.
तो जब भी कभी प्रशासन के साथ बात करते हैं तो प्रशासन इसको लाइटली कि अरे क्या है डायन के केसेस, कितने केसेस, क्या
लॉ डिपार्टमेंट उसको देख रहा है, लेकिन फिर भी उस बिल को भी देखा जा रहा है। अगर मान लीजिए बिल में कोई ये देखा जाएगा कि उसकी नेसेसिटी है, कुछ जरूर आवश्यकता है, तो उसको लिया जाएगा।
वो ड्राफ्ट अभी भेजा हुआ है, गवर्नमेंट के लेवल पे पेंडिंग है, विधि विभाग में उसका हम बार-बार सम्मान पत्र लिख रहे हैं।
Unfortunately, the governments are not taking any strict action. Neither in the three states. In Rajasthan, there is no act. There was a bill, but it had not been passed yet.
There is no urgency on part of the government, either at the level of the states or even the center. The big question here on center stage, who will stop this witch hunt? And joining me now is Kavita Srivastav. She is the General Secretary, PUCL Rajasthan. Also joining me is Maxwell Pereira, former Joint Commissioner, Delhi Police. Kavita Srivastav, let me come to you first. How rampant is this evil across Rajasthan? Is it happening openly? Is everyone aware of it? Is the government aware of this?
See, it's a completely open crime. It's a crime against women. I mean, it's more than being a mere evil, because there's an individual and a whole family who's subjected to torture. And yes, the government and the police see it as a cultural practice which they can't do anything about. And this is the problem, because you know,
they can't do anything without, they can't do anything about, or they don't want to do anything about.
No, they don't want to do anything. They don't do anything. It's not can't. They don't do anything. There are enough sections in the Indian Penal Code which can be applied to the crimes that are committed, but no police station in charge or even at senior levels, they see this as a serious crime, because the making of a darken, the making of a witch is such that she's normally a very vulnerable woman. She's normally a single woman. She's, you know, either a widow or she has been left by her husband. She's normally from a caste which is a Dalit or a socially vulnerable caste. So she has no backing by anybody, you know, that she can take up her case. And therefore, the witch hunt that happens, actually, we've seen a lot of murders, a lot of women being killed, and we've tried to pursue their cases. So this is something in Rajasthan, it's rampant all over. It's in all the 33 districts.
Okay, Maxwell Pereira.